Crown balloon tutorial. Leave a 6-finger width at the end. Start by twisting a 2-finger single bubble to form a barrier knot. Twist a 4-finger single bubble. Continue tying a barrier knot. A 4-finger single bubble. A barrier knot. A 4-finger single bubble. Let's do another barrier knot. Then twist a 6-finger single bubble. Wrap around the balloon knot. Trim off the excess balloon material. Wrap the remaining balloon around. Take a balloon and wrap it around the knot. Twist a single bubble the width of 4 fingers, a barrier knot. Continue twisting a 4-finger single bubble and wrap it around the ear tie. Next, repeat 2 more sets in the same order. Trim away the excess balloon material. Adjust the shape of the balloon. And the crown is complete.